Streamlabs. I'm just gonna send a message in chat that's gonna go off in a second, but I think I should be live. Should I check my own channel? We'll just wait till we get the notification to know if we're actually live or not. Starting off scuffed as always.
Transgenie is now live. Streaming software and game development, making a Lang using only x86 assembly, part 2, this might have been a mistake.
Okay. Yep. We got the message. Now, so here's a searchable syscall table that I found, and I actually ported everything to the 64-bit syscalls, and I made the things actually work better. And now, I haven't added any new functions. All I've done is fix the old ones. So like, actually, this is the only new function I added. I added a print null terminated string, so I can just have this and not have this, have something like this and have not have this size. That's all I've done though. Oh my god. Let me boot up WSL real quick. We don't need SH. We do need SH. I mean, I don't think this actually returns anything so far, because currently what it's doing is it's grabbing the main function offset. And if I was to happen to remove a character, I don't think it will work. There we go. Yeah, it's all working fine. Now I was thinking for this, I might have a system where it goes like something like. And then here you put like int. You know, stuff like this. And then this is all global functions that can be accessed for any of these functions here. I was thinking something like that might work, because I want this to make a systems level language. So, and since it's going to be compiled, it's a bit of a mess. Just a little tiny bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Anyways, make sure everything's working. Let me get my own stream. Torch. Let me test the audio is working. Let me test the audio is working. Let me test the audio is working. Is the audio working? Let me test the audio is working. Is the audio working? I don't think the music's going through, but that's fine. Whatever. Who cares? Hey. Who cares? Let's get to programming, okay? So, we're gonna need a few more things here. Because currently we are missing. Yeah, let's save this. It should still find the main function. So, currently, we also need to find the globals now, but that should be pretty easy. I'm just trying to think what we need to do now. So this is template.c. It's literally just me grabbing the offsets of tables in this because I needed them to find the actual size of the file, so then I could go past it. Here, I use it once. So let me find it. Let me find it. It is our only use of this is right here when we do the +48 to get the file size. Now, I do think, what we'll do is we'll create a get area size, okay? Okay, I think that's like get area size, and we do area size. This will put into our SI the chart. Okay, and then this will return into RAX the number chars. Now this will be useful as, well, currently we are only really looking for the main function. I do also want to be able to make it so I can define my own functions and this is exactly what you need to do such a thing. Oh, I'm gonna have a sip of water. 1 sec. Where's my water? Let me just. Okay, we had water. Let's get to programming. Okay, well, if RSI is the start of the function, including the name, so first of all, we need to. So the end letter we're looking for will be, we'll put that in a DL. So we need to look for this, and then after that, we need to also look for. Wow, oops, wrong letter. There we go. So we look for this bracket as if we look here. So we start at this here. We need to go through the name and stuff. We're not going to worry about that yet. And then we need to go find this one. Then find out how many characters is in between this and then this final one here. And then that's how big the function is. So if we need to do a dot find letter. So DL is the letter we're looking for. We can do compare RSI to this, and then if it's not equal to, we can loop, if I can spell. Fine letter. You're gonna complain about that's fine. Yeah, I don't know why it complains about this. I think my editor for some reason thinks I'm trying to write a 16-bit application, because it complains about it complains about that not being a valid 16-bit address. But also last time I checked, this is also not a valid 16-bit address. So I don't know what it's on about anymore at this point. I don't know anymore. We'll just go for it. So if we find the letter, we check that. We run find letter. We also need to basically we'll do decrement RSI here, and then we'll increment it up here. So then we basically just increment it until we find this offset. Okay. So we start right here. We'll increment until we find this here, and this we go down, and we find this. So the number of letters between here and here is what we need to store. So we find that, and we'll add protection later if it's not found. But for now, we find that. Then actually, I'll have a find letter. I'll have a find letter function, which will just push RSI, and then we'll dot we'll do this where we compare this to DL, and if it is not equal to DL, we run the loop. We'll also make sure to increment to RSI, and we'll make sure to decrement it here to make sure we start at the starting point and not one above, or it won't work. Then we make sure to pop. Actually, yeah, so make sure to pop RSI, and we'll make sure to move RSI into RAX to keep to the normal register returns. That should work perfectly. So this will input. Oh my god. Inputs. This will input RSI, the address, and this will also input DL, which is the letter, and then this will turn into RAX, which is the it'd be address of. My God, bro! I need to get better at spelling without being able to see the keyboard. What are you mad about? Oh, yeah, we remove this now. So we'll just give you call dot find letter. Make sure that MOVDL is that. Then we will push RSI to the stack. Then we'll oh my god, I misclicked. I'm the master of misclicking, chat. Oh my god, what the hell? I didn't know I could misclick that badly. What the fuck? Okay, I managed to switch text modes. One sec. Am I also in caps lock now? No. Hey. What the? Hey, sometimes when editors don't understand what you're trying to do, and then they go try to make the issue worse by accident. Find letter, and then we'll also push RSI. So essentially, what we're doing is, we start here, we find this letter, then we'll pop RX and pop RBX, then so the second one we pop, we'll do subtract RAX, RBX. Then this number here should be equal to the number of letters in between. So we will go, we'll just go return, and we'll make sure all the other things are the same. So we push RX, push RSI, push RDX. Is there anything else we use? We use RBX, push RBX. Is there anything else in the function? I don't think so. Then at the end here, we'll pop RBX, pop RDX, pop RSI, and we'll pop. Why are we pushing RX? We don't want. We need to keep RX different because we change it by the end. Kind of like that. And now, if I run get area size, let's hope we don't get a seg fault because that's really common in assembly. So I go call get area size, and then MOV. You take in RSI. RSI is equal to the file compiling pointer, add RSI, the main function offset, which we can just use RX here because it doesn't change, and we'll hope we don't get a seg fault. Okay, then I'm gonna want to print this, so we can do. Wait, how does the print fucking work? Okay, where the fuck is the print string? Yeah, okay. I think this inputs RX. Hey, input. My God, how can, bro? Wait, I got this. In there. Int. It's actually a uint. And then this turns into a char, a IX, which contains a char pointer. The letter. Now this does use a malloc, so we have to make sure if we use this a lot to actually free up the memory it uses. Because I believe over here we run a malloc to allocate the amount of memory. Wait, why the fuck does that work? What is an RDI? Huh? Hold up, wait a minute. You know, I'm not gonna touch it because it's working, but that shouldn't work, but okay. anyways, well, MOV RAX. I actually already contain the area size, right? It does. Okay, we don't need to do any MOV then. We can just call convert area to string. What the bro, oh, I misclicked so bad. How did you control A? What the hell? Where am I in the file? Convert integer to string, and then we'll call print not terminated string. Try that. What? Huh? Oh, yeah, okay, so we do MOV RSI RX. You mean 0? Uh-oh. Chat, someone's up. What's up here? Why is... if I just go 10... This all works, right? What do you mean segmentation fault? What? Wait, is this... Oh, wait, wrong one. 8. If I do MOV RAX. There we go. Now, get area size is outputting to IX, right? Subtract IX. Okay, so if I do... That should work, theoretically speaking, but it seems to be giving 0, which is not indicative of anything good. So to find the letter... Oh, wait, what? This is not returning at all. Return. How did I not catch that? What the hell? What? Hold up. What? Why is it not working? Oh, because they're the same thing, because we pop it here. If I just remove... If I just remove this and this, it should theoretically work. 30. Between here. I don't think that's 30, but okay. What? Hey, that's exactly 30. What the hell? Now all we gotta do is we gotta decrement it by 1 and we should be done. Okay. We've got the exact size of between here to here. 8. But just only 14, thank you. Oh my god. This, you know, it's right, it's just being annoying. If I just add like a few other 0, if I just do that a few more times, it should work, right? Yeah, okay. So we are in fact getting the size of this function. Do that, it's on 27. Now. Oh my. Now that we've got the size of the function, we need to store the size of the main function. I should actually make a type of like function header. That makes more sense. Although that means I'm gonna have to manage arrays in assembly, which is a bit of a pain. Oh, thanks for the follow. But I cannot read that fucking name. I'm so sorry, I can't read that name. What does it say? Yeah, I'm not. I guess you made my follow goal. Yeah, my follow goal is a bit screwed up. I don't actually. Yeah, I'm not even gonna get into what happened with that because it's so annoying, and I'm pretty sure Twitch is mad at me because I reported the botting, because someone botted my account to them, and then they're being annoying. Anyways, let's get back to doing this. Wrong button. My bad, guys. My bad. So now, should I explain what I'm doing? No. We already got that. Now that we've got the area size, we need to... Yeah, I'll build a function header. Okay, so the function header. This will be the a function. You know, if I can spell, this would be really useful. But a good thing I can't see my keyboard. How useful, huh? You know, I got this, guys. Function header. headers array ptr. Okay, and then this will be a dq0, and then the format of each header, so each header for each header should be constructed something like this, where there'll be the offset position, then there'll be the size, and then there'll be the local defined vars, and then I think that should be close to most of what we need for the header format. Although, so we've got the function. Should we save the? Yeah, we should save the function name. We've got to grab that, the function name, and then we'll also save the function return type. Something like this. So function name. So the function name should be a byte because it's a pointer. I'll make this a 4-byte number. Uint 32 underscore. Oh my fucking god, I can't type today. I don't know what's up with me. The offset position will be 8 bytes. My god, a uint 64 underscore t. The size will also be 8 bytes. A uint 64 underscore t. And then the local defines will actually be a pointer to another array. So this will be a pointer. So this will be a 8 byte. My god, bytes. For now, we'll just say a void pointer, but we do need to add the name of the thing. Oh my, bro, I can't fucking type. Okay, anyways. So I think this format would theoretically work. So, yeah. So my main question is, what should we focus on first? We can either, there's two things we can start with. So far, I've been working on just defining the main function, and we'll be working on getting functions in total in a second. But another idea is, should we focus on just getting the actual variables defined too? Because for now, we just need to figure out, like, we need to just figure out how do we store these numbers and stuff in a way that the computer can understand. And a lot of it's math-based, because computers are math. So we got to figure this out together. Let's have a look. I think this theoretically should work. So now I need a system to manage these tables. So let's go build that. So here's all the errors we can experience. Let's do let's create. We'll just do a create new function header. Now this will input RSI the address of the function. Now and actually in RX this will want the number bytes function. So we need the number bytes. So we need the function address and the number bytes, and we need to turn that into the header format. So first of all, the number bytes can directly be put into the format. So first of all, we need to figure out how many headers exist. So we'll just put in probably not the right area, but the constant area, because why not? We'll put up here, we'll just do a number function headers. So the number function headers is 0, and we just need to make sure the number function headers goes up each time we need to find one, so then we can define enough area to store all of them. So let's go here. So let's. Okay. Well, we'll do. We're gonna need to multiply with the number of bytes the whole header takes up. Which, how many bytes does this header take up? Each header format, that's 8, 16. But I'm just gonna use a fucking calculator for this shit. 8 times 3 plus. Where's the fucking plus key? I can't right now. Plus 4. 28. Okay, it's 20. This is, each one is 28 bytes. 28 byte. Oh my god. Per table. Okay, 28 bytes per table for each header format. Now, down here, we're going to need to do a multiply, I think. Although multiplies aren't really that efficient, it should be fine. So we'll do. So first of all, we'll do MOV. Man, I cannot spell if my life depended on it. RBX number function headers. Then we'll increment RBX. Move RBX. Actually, yeah, that's actually fine position. We'll need to push RAX here. MOV RAX 28. Then we'll do XOR RDX as that is a part of the divide stack. Divide RBX. Now, so this is the wrong way around. My bad. RBX. This should be RBX. There we go. My bad. So we do RX here. We times that by that's not even the right command. We need to times, not multiple. Well, my brain is too small for assembly, but I'm doing this anyway. Small. Oh my god, man, you do get too used to not being able to see shit sometimes. We don't actually. Yeah, that should be fine now. Then I'll move this to RDI. Then we'll pop RX as that has data we need. Now you might ask why we are doing this into RDI, and that's because we can call a malloc directly from here. And in this malloc we can. So this malloc, we first of all need to compare RAX 0, and if it is 0, we need to do it out of memory, although it's technically not always an out of memory error. Sometimes we can just ask for more memory than the computer can reasonably give, so it says no, or we just, or we give it 0 bytes of memory to ask for. So, but usually it's just because, if we've confirmed the program works, it's usually because they're out of memory or something along those lines, so we'll just assume it's an out of memory error. Then we are going to need, so we check that. So our AX now contains the pointer to the new table. So if we're going to compare, oh my god, compare function of a pointer to keyword 0, and if it is not 0, we'll need to copy we'll just do copy to, oh my god, I can't, to new array.
I can finally speak now, transgender pride.
Yeah. Yeah. We can speak. Do you have any idea what I'm doing right now? Do you have any idea about what any of this means? Because honestly, I barely know what I'm talking about, but I'm still going with it. How would I do that? I'm gonna have to remove 28 from
Random assembly.
Well, if you look at the title, if you look at the title of the stream, you may not realize that I'm a little bit insane. Just a little bit. Just look at the title of the stream. I'm presuming you already did because you're at the stream. That'd be fun if you actually went to the stream.
Oh goodness.
Uh-oh. Chat realize I'm crazy. I'm gonna need a dot after copy. Okay, so once we copy the new array, we obviously need to just continue as if nothing happened. But to copy the new array, first of all, we are going to need to store the size. Okay, it's an RDI. It should stay in RDI after this, but just in case, I'll make sure to push and pop RDI around this. Push RDI. Also, by the way, if I make a ton of spelling mistakes, that's because I straight up cannot see my keyboard right now. So I'm kind of just guessing where my keys are, because I'm in VR. I'm in VR while programming an assembly, chat. Do I sound insane yet? Copy to...
Are you typing in vgot?
Huh? So what I'm doing is... I'm in VR chat with the camera, and then I just have my keyboard in front of me, I'm just typing with it. That's exactly
You are
how I'm doing
insane
stuff.
as heck.
Huh? I'm not that insane. I mean, tell that to... I've done a lot of crazy projects, actually. I can't say any... not defensible. Bro, jump? I'm trying to find J on my keyboard. Where the fuck did that jump? No. Jump dot after copy. Can you just hear me typing? Just me being really loud. I also like how this is a almost 300... No. It's a 400 line file and it does like 2 things. How useful, right, chat? How useful. After copy. Okay, so to copy. Push RDI, pop RDI. So we'll make sure to check RDI. We'll subtract subtract RDI 28, and if RDI is... If we set RDI... What am I on about? Chat, I don't know, I'm figuring this out. Yeah, okay, so we need to basically go through, so dot copy loop, and we'll decrement RDI. Oh my days, I cannot see my keyboard. If we jump, if not 0, copy loop, that will work. Now, all we need to do is RAX, yeah, okay, so RAX contains the new one, so we'll do MOV RAX plus, we'll make ECX the counter here, and we'll do MOV AL, no, not AL, that won't work, DL is free here, yeah, to function pointer array plus RCX, then we'll do byte DL. Okay, now it might say there's a lot of errors. That's because for some reason my editor thinks I'm in fucking 16-bit mode. Why the fuck does it think I'm in 16-bit mode, chat? Bro, yeah, my editor lost it. I do need to make sure to restore all the values after this, so we need to push RX, push RCX. We need to push push RDX. We need to push RDI, wrong one. I think that should be all. Then we're just gonna make sure to restore all these before we actually do this. Pop AR dx until I can barely see my screen characters. How much to program? Okay, now. Okay, after all this, we should have copied it. Then, after the copy, we need to essentially MOV RAX plus. What are we plussing RAX by? It should be RD. It should be number chat. I don't know. Okay, so well, we need to start off with 0 and then go up by 28 each time. So that means I need to do RDI, yeah, RX RDI, subtract DI, yeah, RX. No, wait, we need to add RX. Fuck, I'm going crazy, chat. Why did I do this? Don't chat. I'm probably not sane. Okay, I need water. Where the fuck's my water? Water break. Yeah. Okay. Let's think from a new angle. We add RAX. Now RAX currently contains the memory address. How about we put it into MOV RCX and then the number of, so then we'll do RDI, so subtract CX 28. Now these 28 bytes we need to fill here, so RCX. Okay, so now we need to go up to this table at the very top of the script and have a look. Function name. Okay, well, we don't have the function name yet, so we can't do that. Main thing we can do is we can get the offset. What the fuck? Whatever. Get the function name. We can't get the return type yet. We can get the size, and we can't get. Okay, we can only get these two. So we need to a +4, 12. So we need a +12 and then plus another 8 on top of that for the next one. So we need a +12. Do we use RSI here? You know, here's the best way to ensure it does not break. Push RSI. We'll do that after RAX. Now we'll do that here, and then we'll pop RSI down here. Oh, okay. Now we can just RSI. Then to get the size that is originally stored in RAX. So wait, okay, we'll need to pop RAX. We'll have to pop it into RAX actually. We can pop it into up here. We can pop it into fuck. I'll do. Do we use RBX? No, we don't use RBX. Okay, RBX is fine. Then I can just change this from RX to RBX, and then we can do MOV RBX plus CX plus 12 plus 8. Q1 RAX, something like that. This is gonna be so bad. I don't think this is even gonna work in the slightest. I think it's gonna error the fuck out. Maybe the first time. That's a big maybe though. Okay, let's add all the pushes and pops to the start here. So up here we'll do push. We'll do another push RSI. We'll do a push AX. We'll do a push DX. We'll do a push. We'll just basically push everything. Why not? Where's my fucking keyboard? Another push. We'll do BX. We'll need a push CX. We need a push RSI. We need to do DI. What else do we use? I think that's it. Now we do need to do this in reverse down here. So pop DI pop CX pop 8 pop BX pop DX, my god, pop wait, what? Pop B D AX pop ESI, no ESI RSI. Okay, something like that. So if I just call this up here, do I get a segfault? Probably. We'll remove this and we can keep that. We can keep that. So now if I nope. Call create the hell was that? I didn't even know that was a shortcut in Windows. What the fuck did I press to do that? Chat, what did I press? What the fuck did I press? Anyway, so what the fuck was I was down here. Yeah, does this up here we take the inputs. It's MOV SI, which is the file compiling PTR. We take the we add RSI with main function no offset. Then we'll into RAX. We're gonna need to store the RSI. So for now we'll just yeah, up. Actually, it's already in RAX. We don't need to worry about that. So I do that. Does it error the fuck out? Oh. That's an error. 335. That's 355, not 335. Q. I mean, operation size do not specify. It's right fucking there. What? Hold up. Huh? Huh? Are you sure that's right? What do you mean operation size not specified? I specify it. Right there. What the fuck do you mean? What? That's keyword 0. Huh? What? I don't actually know what to do. Fucking. What do I do now? What if I say D word? Is that happy? Yeah, that's fine. So what? Why is it mad with only Q word? What? I can just do. For now, we'll do a workaround, but we do need to figure out why that's happening. Okay. Segmentation fault. Okay, but now we need to figure out where the seg fault is happening. So my favorite technique is to just pause it at random points. So first of all, just after here, J, where J, nope, no, where the fuck is my, there we go, J, Fucking, oh my god, I cannot type on this keyboard. Jump $. Okay, that's fine. Now let's go down. Okay, let's actually just make sure it's not literally just this end part here. Hey. Okay. It's before that. Is up here being ran? Because it's not meant to be being ran right now. Nope. Okay. So I think it is probably here, right? Yeah. Okay. Well, that's a bit annoying. Let's see. So RBX. Okay. Pop RDI. So we're not moving it to yeah, so we need a oh my god, I cannot. Okay, I got this, chat. Huh. Hey. Oh, that's a good sign. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Now, in here, change that to an RBX. Okay, now that should probably work, but I need to call it twice. Okay. This should. There's no outputs, right? Yeah. So I'll make sure just and then I'll make sure to add here. But oh my god. No, we'll just do a void. But I can't type. Okay. That's my biggest issue when programming in assembly, that I can't see the fucking keyboard. How is that the biggest fucking issue I'm having so far? Okay. Now, I guess we just run it again, right? Like, what's the worst that can happen? Yeah, we'll just we need to make sure it can work if I do it twice. Okay. How many times should we test this, by the way? I'll make a temp. Decrement RCX. Jump if not 0 dot temp loop, and then we'll set MOV RCX to 20. Okay, that's good. So essentially what I'm doing is I'm assigning a shit ton of function headers, and then I have to, if it's not 0, I actually need to remember to use free. Okay, I need to free up the unused memory. So after we do that, in this, why are we? Oh, okay, yeah, that's fine. I need to, after this, push RDI pop R. Yeah, Dan is fine actually. We don't actually even do that. We already kind of do that here. Okay, so all we need to do is we need to free the old one. So we do call function.
Hello there.
Hello there. What's your username? Hello there as well. I should probably say, I should probably make it so it actually says who says something, because I have no idea who's saying what half the time. I think that should be right. Hopefully. I don't know. I don't know why you could open that. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Okay, I don't think free message any fucking registers, so it should be fine. Then, yeah, okay, here, I just need to make sure that function array pointer is equal to keyword RBX, something like that.
Maybe we can have signatures. RTR.
Oh no. Segmentation fault. Yeah, that's... I could just fix it right now. It's really easy to fix. Because it's one button right here. But that sounds like too much effort, I'm be real.
So true, Rose. KRT.
My god. Okay, well, apparently chat is signing off everything now. And why the fuck is this giving so faults?
You bet we are. RTR.
Called twice. You know what I think's happened? We are not writing the size for one. So we should just need to go increment keyword. Function header. No, function number function header, something like that. Increment that. Okay, but why is it happening is another question. I think it's in this here. Something here is causing the issue. Okay. Now the question is what? We'll see if I just do. If I just do that after the copy, is it the copy itself? Yes, it's the copy itself, I think. Because I think that's the only difference. If I just go up here. Yep. Okay, well, the copy itself is relatively simple, lucky for us. And, well, you know, I think I found the issue. Hey, chat. I found the issue. It turns out I'm just stupid. Yeah, okay. That might work now. What do you mean? Okay, well, let's see if it works once. JMP $. Okay, well, how am I gonna make it? I'm gonna do this. Okay, I need a better debugger, chat. Is there a good Linux debugger? Can I do I have this? I'm not even gonna install. You know what? Screw it. We're gonna do this by hand. Or not even logging the errors, chat. We're gonna fucking figure this out by pausing it at different points in the script. That is how we do it here. Well, you know, this might help just a little. Oh. Yeah, I figured it out, chat. I figured it out. It turns out I'm actually just stupid. Now, if I go back up here, I'm gonna run create new function header in a loop. MOV CX20 temp loop 2 decrement RCX jump if not 0 dot temp loop 2. Okay. I'll just make sure to run like. Let me just open 1,000. Let me just open 1,000 then real quick. Okay, well I think it's working unless did I forget RCX? RCX is here. Okay, well I think it all works now, chat. Now, I need to make sure it is actually working. So what I'll do is, I'll create this table, and then I'll call create function header. But this time MOV RAX10. Okay, so one of them it should be. So if I go now by MOV RSI, function header array pointer, then we add to RSI 28. Then okay, so we have gone past the first one and now we are in the second one. In the second one we need to check if the size. I think it is. Actually, am I writing to offset position or size? I think it should be size, so we'll check size. So that is 12 plus 8 plus 4. Down here. I need to start spreading this out. 28. Okay, it's 12 plus 8. Okay, so we need to look at 12 plus 8 in the. We need to do ESI 12 plus 8, basically. ESI. So we'll compare RSI plus 12 plus 8. And then if it is not equal to 10, I'll just create a quick yeah, we'll just do a dot test failed RSI. What should we make the string? I'll just do test failed str. Whatever you are testing. Whatever you are testing has failed. Oh my fucking god. Whatever you're testing is failed. Skill issue. Okay, then here we'll go to test failed. We'll go to test failed str and we'll call return an alternated string. We'll do MOV-RX60 for the return, and we'll set DI1 for error, and we'll do syscall. We'll see if that works. So, what do you mean? Okay, operation size not defined. 70. Okay, it seems to think keyword isn't a size. What? Right. Nassim doesn't think keyword is a size. What? Bro. Oh, it's T-word. I think it might be T-word. No? Fuck. I made it worse. What? The fuck you mad about? Well, it's only the first 2 bytes anyways. No! God damn it, my program gave me a skill issue. Look at this. Whatever you're testing is failed skill issue. God damn it. Wait, actually, let me, bro, what the fuck's wrong? Huh? What? What? Hold up. Wait a minute. Huh? Okay. I just think my editor's cursed, because that should work. It does. It does. What the fuck? Okay, that's fine. Quick question. Why the fuck is that 0? Why is it not 10? We add 28. I don't fucking know. We'll figure this out. We'll figure this out together, chat. What do you think? What do you think it's gonna be, chat? Do you think I'm just gonna be something super dumb? Do you think it's gonna be something incredibly stupid, and I'm gonna be like, oh my fucking god? Is RAX being corrupted by here? Yes, it is. A lot. Okay, so we push RX here, we pop into RBX. Boom. What if I do that? Whatever I did. Nope. Okay, well, it still worked. Okay, then. Better idea. After popping that, we do another push here. And then we... where are we pushing? Oh, yeah. Then after this, we just pop IX. What about that? What about that? Oh! Yeah! Yeah, it worked! Chat, I knew we could do it. I knew it! Yeah, I can... Yeah, okay, I know. That makes sense. That makes total fucking sense on why that fucking didn't work. Okay. We also do not need either of these. I don't think. Yeah, I'm right. Okay, I see. Okay, let me... I'm actually gonna make a test succeeded function. It's gonna call it test worked, because I cannot be bothered to type succeeded. I'll do RSI in a second, and then we'll do call and not terminate string. Then we will RX60. We'll make sure to do XOR RDI, and we'll do syscall. Then we'll up here we'll set DX to test worked str. Whatever your test ding has worked. Okay, test worked str. Test. So now, otherwise, we jump tests worked. Yeah, I had the input beforehand. Yeah. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That means we've got the tables working, which means we just dealt with tables in assembly. How useful. This is probably like a 15-line C program. It's so weird because like usually this isn't impressive at all. I wouldn't be excited for anything like this. But then because it's assembly, I'm like, oh yeah. Anyways, so wait, that's not. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Never mind. Where's my fucking calculator? Hold on. So we have 8. Nope. 8. Nope. What the fuck is 8 on my keyboard? No. Nope. There we go. Times 2 plus 4. 20. Okay, so we're not actually putting in the right offset. My bad. One quick question. So this plus this. Okay, yeah, so it should be 20, the offset. Oh my god. So this offset should be 20. Which I don't actually know if that's the same. Does it? Oh, okay, it's the same thing. Wow. And then this one up here is 8 plus 4, 12. Okay, the offset is 12. Okay, that's all good. I think that's all working as intended. So my main question is why doesn't QWord work here? Why does it think QWord isn't? Huh. That's we've got to look that one up. What's here? Oh my god, this page is so ugly. I know. I want 64-bit. No. Keyword. Okay, so it turns out you just read it. Apparently you just can't. You got to go something like this, where it's like MOV RX is safe, or down here, like I did down here, where I just add 4, check D word, and then do that again, because last time I checked chat, I know it's crazy, but 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Who could have guessed? Now, I do need to fix some formatting in this file, but I'll do that off stream because that's all boring shit. Now that we have found a way to create the headers, we need to grab the other information for it, which is the name of the function. Okay, so if this will actually require proper parsing of the file. So we need to look for the keyword int and okay, so we need to do the keyword int, and we need to check if it ends in either this here or this here, because that will tell us if it is a int, like a global up here, or if it is a int function. So first of all, we need to locate the ints. Yeah, so first of all, if it's being ran into here, we can assume it's a function. So after we do that, we need to we'll create a function that is simply called get name of function from first letter address. We will put the first letter address into RSI, char pointer, function start. Oh my start. We'll get it right the first time. They say they say I don't fucking know what I was gonna say. God damn it. It's over first chat, it's over. We will put all my days. Nope, wrong one. Still wrong one. There we go. We will push RSI, pop RSI, return. Now this will actually output. We'll still do RAX because it makes things easier on my part. So RAX will be a new char pointer name. So we char pointer the name, which we extracted. So first things first, this space here is necessary, but there can be any amount of spaces here. So we can first assume that there's a space here, okay? So we can go up until there's a space, and then when there is a space, we need to check everything in here. We need to check if this letter here is either a space or a bracket, and then anything between this space here or this space or bracket here is in fact a function. It's the function name. So we start here, okay. First things first, we'll need to find start function, find start function or name. Then we will increment RSI, compare what is inside of RSI to a byte space, and if it is not equal to that, we will run the find start function name until we do find it, and then once we do find that, we will increment to RSI again. We will push RSI again to the stack because we need this RSI for later. We will pop RSI, and then we in here need to find the end of the function. So we need to basically do a find end of function name. So then we will increment. Oh my fucking increment RSI. And we'll do basically the same thing, but we need to do 2 compares here. Okay, so we'll do RSI, and then we'll byte space, and then we'll also need to compare RSI byte bracket. No, this bracket. And we need to. Okay, so yeah, we'll do both of these, and then if it is any of these, we'll have a dot exit end of AOF loop JE exit EOF loop. Okay. You following along at home yet, chat? And then we jump to the find end of function name, and it loops over like this. And once this is called, currently there's gonna be no protections for stuff like if it's missing this and it's kind of like that. We will figure that one out in a second. For now, we know the start point and the end point in the name. Okay, so I will move the endpoint in the name into a MOV RDI RSI. Then I can do subtract. We'll do we'll do RCX. Subtract RCX RSI. So now we have this size. Hey. But what am I even trying to spell? You know, whatever. So we have the size and RCX now, okay? Now once we have the size and RCX, we need to basically allocate the size plus 1 it should be. Okay, so we'll do increment RCX, and then we do MOV DX RCX call malloc compare JE dot out of memory error, and then inside of RAX that contains the pointer. So now we will do the copy oh my days, I cannot spell copy name not Bane name. My bad, guys. RCX JNZ dot copy name. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll do MOV RAX plus RCX, and we actually need to decrement RCX. Before this, we'll do byte MOV RBX plus, what is it, RBX? No, it's RSI. My bad. RSI plus RCX. We'll put that into DL. Nothing uses DL. We'll do by DL. Once we copy the name over, I don't think there's much else to do really, is there? We copy that over, and then down here we make sure that, actually no, up here we'll do it because that makes it more secure. We'll just do MOV RAX plus RCX by 0. We decrement it by 1. Then we'll, I mean, theoretically this should probably work, but I do need to actually make sure it doesn't fucking break other stuff. So the only thing that should stay is RAX. We can do that. We can do that. We can work with that. Push RBX, push RCX, RCX, push RDX. Oh my god. Push RDI 8. And we'll push RSI after. We'll do all this up here. We don't need that last one. Okay, so now pop RSI, pop RDI, pop RDX, pop CX, pop RBX. Okay, I think that should be it. So let's test the seg faults. I'm just so used to everything seg faulting. I'm just too used to it now. So here. Okay, after this we'll call what do I call the function? Get. Okay, then we MOV MOV RSI. No, MOV, yeah, RSI RBX. No, wait, what? real quick, what? RSI is up here. But I need to start storing stuff in fucking functions, no, in fucking variables, because I have no fucking clue where, you know what? Up here. Dot function a dot function bro fu function ptr dq0. Okay, so now if I in here I could probably do dot function ptr. You know, get down here. Where is the create function header? Yeah, okay. So if I, now if I do mov dot a dot function ptr RSI, if I do that, now in the function pointer I can put it directly into. I know it's slower this way, but at least I can fucking keep track of my shit here. Oh, let's see what happens. Fuck. Okay. Oh my god, what the fuck's wrong with... I don't know what's going on with me. I need water, that's what I need. One sec. Where's my water? Stay hydrated. Now, it may look like there's errors, but trust me, my fucking editor is just stupid, chat. Oh, I forgot I had arms for a second. Got so used to programming that I forgot I had arms for a second, chat. Did it ever happen to you? 10 out of 10 programming moment, guys. You can always relate, especially... Okay, moving on. Well, let's have a look. So RSI, RAX, and then we try to get the pointer. Function pointer. Okay. The function pointer. So let's have a look. Let's just test this part here. Jump $. I need that. Hey, what? Wrong place. Okay, that's good. Then let's go here. Perfect. Pop CX outside. Okay, check here. Just after the malloc. Okay. So is it here? If I go here, that's the largest point we're trying to ride to. So yeah, I think okay. Idea. Inside of RCX, when we malloc it, we can actually add RCX2 and then decrement it after. And then we'll decrement RCX. Right. Okay, try that. But wait, what's the this is just hey, put my fucking god. Push RCX. Push RCX. Pop RCX. Boom. Try that. Oh, that's a good sign. Oh, fuck. Whoa, why is that?
Seg's fault.
Yes, Seg faults. I can't. Bro, did you? I didn't even realize you said that. What the fuck? Chat. I straight up did not realize that's what you said. God damn it. The assembly. What? Oh my god. I have my text to speech. It's kind of cursed. For one, doesn't say who's speaking. I'll go fix that after the stream. But it also does not say half the stuff right at all. What the fuck is... Oh man, I'm getting tired. It's I don't know how it's 1 AM chat. We've only been streaming for like an hour 20. I think we're doing pretty good for about an hour 20 in the stream. Yep. Okay. Apparently, okay.
3 gang.
Yep. Apparently, everyone's just typing in 3 in chat now. Well, you know what? They can do that. I am stopping them. Let's test actually after this. Let's make sure the the fucking stack isn't corrupted here. Hey. Oh, okay. Well, if
colon 3 forever.
Yep. Chat is stuck in colon 3. Check that. Okay, I know the issue. It is... What the fuck? What was this before? RSI. Where the fuck?
The issue is WTF.
Push RSI here. Then we're gonna pop pop RSI, because I think malloc fucks with all the registers, so it's messing up with all our stuff. There we go. Now it's fucking working, I think. Actually, quickly, before I let it return, I am gonna what the fuck, $sign MOVES RSI RAX call print no terminated string. My bad, chat. I needed to decrement it again. So decrement RAX decrement. So it decremented twice. Right 0. What? Fuck. Okay, well, I mean... Oh, wait, if I just... -1. I got this chat. Huh. Alright, guys, I got this. Yeah! You probably don't know why that's important. Oh my god, bro, assembly is gonna be the end of me. What the hell is this? Copy the name. Yeah.
Damn, all that to type main.
Okay, so for context, for anyone who's new and you didn't read the title, I'm basically making a language in assembly, and what I was doing is I found this main function by testing for this exact string. Then I checked for the space starting from here. So I went up, found the space, and then I moved up, found this or space, doesn't really matter. Then I allocated this area in memory, copied this area in memory to a new area that I just allocated, and then I'm going to upload it to a string. And I did all that. Okay, all that work just for that. This entire file is just to do that. I'm gonna go crazy. Okay. Okay, so now after here we do
Coding go BRR. That seems like pure pain.
It is pure pain, but that is also why I'm doing it, because it's funny as fuck. And it's also a good challenge, and I also want to know how compilers work. Currently I'm just in the parsing step, but I do have a few things that I haven't figured out for this. What's the offset for the name? Is it 0? Yeah, it is 0. The offset for the name is 0. We can remove keyword on both of these. Actually, no, we can't. I don't fucking know. Whatever. Now, yep. RBX keyword. This should be RAX, although, yeah, it should be fine. We'll see if we segfault. Yep, that's good. Now, if I go down here, yeah, on test works, I will, yep. So now I can go into, we can do, we're gonna set RSI to the pointer that's inside of RSI chat. Does that make any sense? Okay. So we need to set RSI to what's inside the memory, but the memory address that is inside of RSI. Make any sense? Make any sense so far? Yeah, it worked. See chat. My god. It took so long.
I dumb, nothing makes sense.
To be fair, I don't understand it either. I barely understand it. I got
What's
this.
a pointer /J?
Huh? What's? Oh, don't get me started. I swear. Okay, now we got I have a list of all the Linux syscalls because I'm not having another yesterday's stream issue where I can't find the fucking syscall for a fucking read. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing, but I think I'm doing it okay. That's the most programmer statement I've ever heard in my life, chat. I don't know what I'm doing, but I think I'm doing it good. Yes. The professionalism here is crazy.
You're winning. What you're doing either 3.
Don't worry, guys. Someone will eventually find someone on the internet who does, okay? We're just gonna wait till we find someone on the internet who does. Because no one knows what's going on anymore. Okay. Well, I mean, all my tests have worked so far, so that's pretty good. Now, what other data do I have to get from it? I need to get the type, okay? So I need to create a list of valid types. So I'll do something like this,
A real
okay?
assembly wizard.
I don't know who you're saying. Who's the real assembly wizard? Who are you saying is the assembly wizard here? Okay, so we'll say because I know it's not me. I know that. Known type strings. Now I will use known type strings. This will be so we'll do db. Then we can do int, and then there'll be a. Yeah, so we'll do db int. And then there'll be comma the fuck is comma? In comma 0, and then there'll be like, I don't know, string. You know what I mean? Then after this there'll be
streamer is to new copy of assembly wizard.
Huh? Average. Yeah, that sounds right. Average known type. Codes. I'll call it type codes, whatever. So we'll give int a code of 0. Do need to add that. So it goes, there'll be int, and then I do actually need to add at the end. We'll do 0xff to define that it's ended. We'll do this on both of them so I can keep it consistent and check both. So I already have a function for comparing strings with only one of them actually ending the string compare. So okay, so we'll check here. Now we'll scroll down. Next step, we'll put this up here, is we'll have a get function type function type from first letter address, okay, which RSI string function start, and then this will output RAX, the function code, and then this will also be I'll set 0x ff1f as the invalid if not valid. Why wouldn't I just use 0? That's a good fucking question, actually. Why am I not just using 0? I guess because I don't fucking want to, and I can do what the fuck I want because it's my fucking stream. If you're actually expecting good, if you're expecting good code while I'm streaming, you're clearly in the wrong place, buddy. If you're expecting me to make good code, you're in the very much wrong place. How did you get here? How the fuck did you get here? If you're expecting good code, chat. Fuck this. We'll do that in a second. So, it's very simple. We need to basically go through the list. So we'll do a dot scan known function of scan known types, and we'll do mo. So we have a function for this. What's the function called again? Compare string RSI null terminator. Okay, so if the RSI is 0, it thinks it's the end of the string. So I basically need to just at the start of this function here do mov di RSI, and then here, here I need to basically okay, how are we gonna do this? Okay, so I need to basically do call a. So we'll also set mov RSI to the known function strings, no function type a known function strings. Then we can do call compare strings null terminator compare RSI EAX 0. If EAX is 0, it's non-zero if it's the same, right? Yeah, non-zero same. So if EAX is not equal to 0, we can do a dot found 8. No, oh my fucking god. No, oh my fucking, I can't type. Known type. Okay, found known type. Dot found known type. Okay. Now, if it is not a known type, we need to essentially we'll do increment dot next string is equal to compare RSI by 0.80. Yep, and then if it's not, we will go to dot next string, make sure to add an increment RSI here. Then after this, we will increment RSI again, and then
If I watch the stream for long enough, will I learn coding through osmosis?
I don't know. I mean, I guess if you watch someone do something for long enough.
WTF is osmosis?
That's a good fucking question. I don't fucking know. I guess if you watch something happen for long enough, you kind of start to understand the thinking process of this person who's doing that thing, though, right? Right? Am I making any sense? I don't fucking know. Oh my god. Okay, so if we found a known type.
Makes sense. I'm learning already.
Let's have a look.
Damn.
Yeah, okay, so in the known types, we'll also check if compare RSI by a byte 0xFF, and if it is 0xFF, we JE dot invalid type. Well, for now, we'll just hold the whole thing. We'll actually get this to print an error soon. Invalid type. Okay, yep. You know, maybe if I was to actually be smart. There we go. So we get this, move that there. Compare if they are equal, we jump here. If they are not equal to, we find the next string. We're doing this. If we reach the end number, we be like, okay, that's an invalid type. Otherwise, we go to the next string, we increment 1, and we do this over and over again. Now, for the invalid type error, I will just add a invalid type strdb error. Oh my god, I can't fucking type. My life depended on it. Error. Invalid type. 0, oh my fucking 0A and 0. Okay, so then we go down to, oh my fucking god, I need to organize this file structure soon. I've got too far down. Yep, here. We just need to MOV RSI in invalid type str call and no terminated string. We'll MOV RAX60. We'll make the return code 0. No, the return code should be 1, not 0. Then we'll do a system call, and this shouldn't even exist anymore because that should exit. Now, for now, we'll just halt here. But I will do. We could just call. Okay, what happens here? Are we even running this? No, we're not running that. Okay. Now, if I go down here, call. Now what happens? Oh! Yeah, it worked! Oh my god. Okay, now I need to make sure. Now I need to make sure if I had to do a if I do something like that, it doesn't work, right? Invalid. Oh, actually, that's fine, yeah, because It's so broken that it straight up does not recognize the main function if I do that. So that's good, that's good, that's good. It means it's all working as intended. Now that we got the type, of it, we're gonna have to, then, let's have a look. So we are getting the type, then we, RSI, we need to somehow, okay, yeah. So we'll do, we'll say X or RCX, then at the end of each thing we will increment RCX, and then we will do MOV RSI, known type codes, add RSI RCX. Then we can get this known type code and print it to the screen. So we can do MOV RAX RC on RSI where the fuck's my I key? Call convert into string. Hey, what? I need to be up here. Then I can do MOV RSI RAX call no terminate string and then hold. What does this do? I think that's a little off, chat. Just a little bit off. Oh, I know why. Where is it? So we're getting RAX, but so what we need to do is we actually need to do MOV AL, and then we do XOR RAX. So then we only get the lowest number, and then if I do that, we get 0. If I scroll up here, yep, the number's in fact 0. But if I set this to 1, okay, it's working. That's really good. Now I need to go back down to the bottom of the script and copy the new array. Okay, new function header. We get function type from first letter of the address. Okay, and then we'll make sure that if it's not valid, we send 0. Fake fucking oh my. But we already X anyway, so which we will not do anyway. So yeah. Now, yeah. Okay, so we just then I want to set MOV RAX. Okay, so we'll do MOV AL. AL is equal to RSI, and then we XOR RAX. There we go. Then we just need to do a ton of pushes and pops to make sure we keep continuity with the rest of the functions without fucking exploiting everything. Push. We'll do push. We touch RX. We touch RCX. We touch. What else do we touch? RDI. We touch RSI. What else do we touch? I think that's it. Okay. Now we go down here. Now we do pop. We actually do not need to return IX, so that's fine. We can remove that. Wrong one. So we do pop RCX, pop. Not RCX. We do RSI here.
This code is probably smarter than me at this point.
But this code is so bad. I am not an assembly programmer, chat. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't fucking know what I'm doing anymore. Whoever knows what they're doing. All I know is I'm just going. But I am making actually good progress, though. Let's be honest. I don't know how, though. Okay, now, if I do that. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Now you, the function type, the function return type. It's actually a uint32t, so I can do that. Go down here. I want to just MOV. So we do RBX plus RCX plus 8. Q word. No, we do a D word. Oh my god. EAX. Although we don't actually use anything past AL, we need to still write because there might be junk data there. Okay, that's all good. So now, if we want, let's go up here. Just make sure it works for one. Okay. Then if we go here, we'll do, yeah, and then we'll actually MOV RDI RSI. So then after here, I want to actually before that, I want to print the name of the function type. So I can do that here by doing, so we can do actually we'll do push RSI, we'll do pop RSI, and then we can do MOV RSI is equal to what's inside RSI plus 8. No, it's what's inside RSI plus 8, but no, that would hold up. Okay, yeah, I'll need to give that to EAX after clearing XOR RX IX. So that means we can actually remove this. Actually, never mind. We'll need that in a second. And then we could do call convert into string, and then we could do MOV SI RAX call dot put in not terminated string, and then I should say int main. Okay, well that is actually what we're looking for, so that's fine. Yeah, okay, so 0 main. No wait, it shouldn't be 0. Shouldn't it be 1? Yeah, it should be 1. Okay, that's not what we're looking for. We've done something wrong here. Let's have a look at what. It should be down, yeah, around here-ish. I'll make sure around these functions because it's so important. I'll actually make sure to save bx push RCX. Make sure to save both of them. Pop RCX, pop bx, push RBX, push RCX, and then we do that again here. Pop RBX, RCX. That should be pop BX. Try that. Yeah, it worked. Oh, finally. Oh my god. All this programming is making me tired.
Let's go.
Yeah, it works, chat. Yeah, finally. I actually look slightly competent at fuck. My headset got stuck. One sec. Okay, I actually look slightly competent at programming for once, chat. Who could have guessed? No one could have guessed I'd be competent at programming. What the hell? Like, that's new.
Best programmer alive.
Nope. I'm gonna deny that claim. Oh my god. Oh. I think soon I'll take like a 5-minute break. But I will return. I just need like to refill my glass of water and stuff. But since I still have water in my cup, I think I'll be drinking the rest of that. Remember, make sure to stay hydrated. Now, we copy all the important information, although...
Snacks are important for programming.
Snacks. Yeah, sometimes. It depends on the person, and it depends on their eating habits, really. Like, if you already are not eating enough for your body, your efficiency will go way down if you don't eat enough properly again. You know what I mean? Yeah, I don't know what these functions. I don't know what a part of these functions is messing these up, but that's fine. I can just fix that.
I feel like I'm being called out.
I'm not calling anyone out. I'm just saying, like, after a bit, it can get unhealthy. That's the right word, unhealthy, and it can slow down your cognitive ability if you don't eat enough food. Because that's how the human body works. Okay. Now if I just, instead of doing this, if I go here, SI, hey, where is it? Okay. But we do need to actually, yeah, we'll do MOV RSI here. Actually, we'll do MOV RCX, actual XOR RCX. Hey, we will from yeah, we will grab RSI plus 8. Wrong one. Still wrong one. There we go. Nope. There we go. I can't see my keyboard, so this is really hard to do. We will do RSI plus 8. We make sure to XOR CX. And what else do we do? I can't freaking see my screen from my keyboard. And I can't freaking see my screen from my headset. Fuck. Okay. So we need to find a match. Although only AL really matters. I'm just gonna keep it with the 32-bit number so it can be easier to expand later. So I need to yeah, okay, so we also need to do a MOV. Hey. We're not using RDI yet, so we will say RDI to non-string codes, and then we'll do the dot find loop, and then we can do compare RDI to AL, and if they're not equal to that, we can find a loop, and then we can also increment RDI. But we also need to remember to decrement RDI here, or we can call it issues. We could also do -1 here, but I think this is more self-explanatory in what it's actually doing. Then JNE. Wrong one. If now that RDI contains that, we subtract. Actually, yeah, we'll have a counter so we can yeah, we'll make sure that increment RCX is there, and then as RCX goes up, we can dot yeah, so we'll do dot find dot. Oh my god, dot find string find string. So now for each one of these, for every RCX, we need to find a 0 once. Okay, so we need to basically do a dot mini mini find dot mini find, and then we RDI. Okay, so we need to set MOV RDI to the knowns. Then we here we don't do anything, but up here we compare RDI to byte 0. If RDI is equal to byte 0, we what the fuck do I? If RDI is equal to byte 0, we yeah, if it equals to byte 0, we if it's not equal to byte 0, we do the mini find loop again. But we also need to make sure to increment RDI, and we don't really need to do decrement beforehand because we can assume that it isn't just a null pointer immediately. Not a null pointer. We can assume that's just not a 0 immediately. Like in this case, there's a I and an N, and then a T, and then here's a 0. So it actually be like here, oh, there's a 0, and then go to the next one. Yep. So then here we need to compare our CX to 0. If they are 0, we can go down here. Dot final. Oh my final out. I'm just making sure we can find the actual name if we try, because it'll be annoying if we do all this work and then we can't find the fucking function types. You know what I mean? So I need to make sure this is working. So function dot final out. Then dot mini find, and then we'll decrement RCX, and then we'll jump dot find string. Okay, so now then so if I do all that, does it say fault? No, okay. Then we'll just do we'll try that. Nope, that's not right. But why? It's the question of the century. What is RCX equal to? Oh, try that. Okay, that's good. Okay, it works. We can confirm it works. We can, in fact, grab the name and the function. So now, okay. So I'm gonna take a small break from my computer. I'll be back. I'm gonna put a text on the screen. Let me just what the fuck is text? I can't fucking see text. Yeah, I'll just like BRB getting water. BRB getting water. Okay. Put this here. I'll be back, chat. I'll be back. I just need some water. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I gotta fix all my tracking now because it's my VR on. Can you? Okay, I'm back. There we go. Well, we can get comfortable and we'll get back to streaming in like 5 seconds.
Welcome back.
I got some water. Gotta drink more of that water. Okay. What were we doing? Let's have a look. See. Don't worry about the 9+ errors. They're actually fake. My compile. I don't know why. My IDE thinks I'm trying to compile for a fucking 16-bit computer. I think I'm trying to build for like real mode, like a bin file or something. Because unless I do this at the top, which will corrupt it. If I do this, which is not. If I go 8. If I do this at the top, it technically gets rid. Never mind. 64. But then it errors the fuck out. Look. Never mind. You know, I'll just do that then. Look at that. My editor's so much more happy with me. It's not binary. Okay, well now I'm making sure everything's working. Okay, I think everything's working fine. We got the name. We got the type. I'm gonna remove all the test code off from here now. Because we don't need that shit in now. Photo load. Photo compile. Find main function. Find main function offset. Get area size. Create function header. We don't need this here. Let's make sure this works with just one. Finding the. No, guys. I'm like 1 sec. Let's go into my chair. I need to move forward a little. There we go. There we go. Now, let's make sure this all works with just one function. No! No. But why? Oh, well, that's probably why. Just. Hey. What? How? Why? That makes no sense. What the fuck? OSI. What? Bro, it doesn't work with one table. You have to have 2 tables for it to work. That's so stupid. This code is a mess, but it's fine. Okay, so after the copy. So yeah, if it's not copying, go straight after coffee. I don't know, copy. Yes. Okay, so subtract CX 28. So if it is 28, this should be 0. So if I just do, what if I do that? Huh? I don't get that. What? What's RCX? So be so the issue is RBX. The fuck? RBX. RBX. Yeah, so RBX is set here. I don't know what's up with this. What? RBX 28. Multiply. Subtract RCX 28. Okay, so RDI needs to be right. I don't know. I don't know why it only works here though. Like, what the fuck? What do you do here? Copy. RDI, okay. I mean, if I just make an empty header, okay? Galaxy Brain idea, chat. Galaxy Brain idea. So I just make up, yeah. And then we just call it twice. Sorry, 20. It does work. Oh my god, I can't see my keyboard. 828. There we go. What the fuck? Wait a minute. Wait, what? What do we have? What else do we have? 8. What the f? What? Huh? I might actually just be stupid. Chat, I might just be stupid. What? Oh, that's why. Oh my fucking god. Okay, it worked. Okay, oh my god. I started panicking. Oh my god, assembly. Bro. Assembly's gonna give me a heart attack. Okay, now. So we can see what it's doing here. That's good. Now I'm gonna remove all this. So we can add the,
Heart attacks are bad for your health.
No shit. Okay, so that should add the area size to the main function header. Also position. He said that. Although I've already said that. I already had that set, I think. Size local defines. Okay, I think I have most of the thing actually set. Just gonna make sure we had the offset position set. Is it here? RSI is fuck. Chad, can you help me here? Fuck. Okay, RSI. Chat. Tell me what RSI. Where do we touch RSI? After copy, we 12. Okay, we do add it. That's good. That's good. What the hell? It's getting a little cold, chat.
Sadly, I cannot help.
Chat, no, it's fine. I don't even know what I'm doing. Just, oh my god. I'm still trying to get back into focusing. Kind of need a second. You know what I mean? Like, when you just come back from a break, you gotta take a second to get used to doing what you're just doing again.
One
Also,
Fortium coding be like.
Yeah, don't worry about that. Nobody worry about the fact that it is in fact about 1:40 in the morning for me. Who needs sleep when you can build things in assembly? I mean, my fingers are cracking. I mean, it's either you sleep or you make something in assembly, chat. Which one would you pick? Personally, making things in assembly, it sounds way cooler. Oh my. Okay.
I'm in the same boat. We push through together.
Yeah, we got this. I also had a nice coffee like less than an hour ago. Anyways, oh my god. Should we organize this file? I think that might help us out here in the long run. Let me do error handling. Kind of just is that all the errors? Hashtag, no, it's percent a in oh my god. 1 sec, chat. I'm just really bad at everything apparently. Oh my days. Error. Nope, just don't know. Alright guys, I got this. hand oh handle. Sorry guys, I'll get this eventually. Man, not being able to see my keyboard really screw me over here. L.
Typing successful.
Let's see if that worked. Yep. Okay, so now move that over here. Then okay, so we'll do the function. So we'll do the function array management .asm. That goes to, I'll bring over this function. Which other functions? This function. Well, most of this script is about managing function arrays. Okay, what else? Okay. These are just really useful functions. This is also about function management. What else is in here? That's fine. Get area, that's also about function management. Yeah, function management alone is almost 3,000 lines. No, not 3,000 lines, 300 lines. My bad. Wrong amount! Okay, now... yeah, so now it's gotta add a include down here. Like... percent... nope. What? Bro, but what keys am I pressing? Okay, percent include function array management .asm. Nope, ASM. Now we do this. Okay, it's working fine. And all these, I'll tell you to do a bit 64. Remove that. Bro, this whole chat, look at this file. You like my file, chat? Do you like the file, chat? This is so dumb. My god. The file works perfectly too. It's so stupid. Okay. Also, I like how, like, in this case, this is not a part of the string, but it's still highlighted. Why? Because there's this here and this here. Bro, this thing does not understand what the code is actually doing. So now, what are you mad about? Whatever.
All is right, nothing is wrong.
It's functional. We'll leave it at that. Should I build a I should probably build a convert I need to build a function to convert the non-type string, the non-type code into a non-type string, but also it's not really needed that much. If I'm being honest, you don't really need it. Huh. Oh my god, what time is it? I think I might stream for about, how many I stream for yesterday? 2 hours 30-ish? I aim for 3 hours today, okay? I aim for a 3-hour stream today. Let me just stretch a little, because oh my god, I did not stretch before. Okay. If we look at what we are... What the fuck? Bro. My controller moved as I leaned back in my chair. I was slowed down a little. I need the water. Where the fuck's my water? Okay, chat. We ready? We can do this. We don't need no debug codes. So now instead of just looking for the main, just this main function, I want to actually look. I just want to look through the file for any function definition. So under this, I actually have a void test function. There we go. A void test function. Okay. So currently that doesn't make a difference, does it? No. Now, yes, we're going to want to go through. And we're going to have to want to find all functions. We can do that, I think. So we can do find all functions. Hey. Find all function in file. So. But my mind is not working. Why is but assembly's fine my mind. Why can't I? Oh, we got this. So to find all the functions in the file, first we need to scan. We'll ignore this, but we'll need to scan, and we'll need to find a type. And then this, and then we'll need to look for this. So we'll need to look for a type, a supported type, which will be separated with the space, which will be very easy for us to tokenize. Then we have the test function, and then we either have a space here or this. So we can get the function name relatively easily. We even have a function for that. So to get the function type, it's gonna be a bit more difficult, okay? My main idea is... What was my main idea? I forgot. Oh, my brain. Oh, assembly. Fuck this language. What the fuck's wrong with this language? My god. Yeah, it's fine. Don't call this function. It will crash your entire... No, it will probably crash just the app. Unless you run a really bad OS, then it will crash your computer. I think Windows... Remember, I think Windows 95 just allowed you to do this. Just like... You just go like, hey. Just go like... Oh my god. Just go like pop. Yeah, and then you just do this forever. Okay? Hey, oh my fucking god. So you just do pop EAX forever, and then eventually just crashes after giving you every single piece of computer memory. Oh my god. Windows 98 was very unstable, but there was good fucking reason I had a mess of a kernel. Let's have a look, see here. Ow. Let's have a look, see here. For one... Bro, I can't focus. What the fuck? Huh. I turn my head sideways and mess with the icons. That's pretty funny. Huh. So when we find all the functions in the file, first of all, I need to define a void as a valid function. I can do that. So we'll do db a void 0, and then we can do db2. So then what we can do here is we start off with RSI the function compiling pointer. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to go through the file, find any strings of the valid types, check if they are actually a valid type. Maybe. Okay, we need to check if they're a valid type. I don't fucking know what else to do. We check if it's a valid type, and then we need to check it's check if it's just a global function, no, a variable declaration, or a function, which is relatively easy-ish. It's just annoying because I'm getting tired. Okay, so we'll do a dot. Oh my god. Okay, so dot. Scan. Oh, I can't. No, I'll get used to this again. Scan loop. Okay, so we do increment RSI, and then we compare RSI to we'll also have here MOV RDI, which will be file compiling pointer, but then no RSI. Then we'll add RDI size file bytes. So then we can compare RSI to RDI, and if they are not equal to, we can continue to scan. Okay. So first of all, to check for the valid types, I'll make a new function, which is just oh my, if oh my, what's wrong with my hands? Alright, go. If I can't, bro. Valid type. Nope. There we go. Oh, PE. I can't. Bro, assembly's making me lose my mind. I'm gonna go crazy soon. I mean, I already, just a little bit insane. Just a little tiny bit insane. Okay. Anyways, we'll need RSI, which will be the fucking char pointer. Bro, that's not a fucking pointer symbol. Where the fuck? Oh my god, so let's think about this. Bro, I don't. Yeah, this one. Char pointer, eight. And then that will go out into RAX non zero. Okay. If non-zero valid. Okay, so now what this will do is essentially it will go through each one, and if it detects that none of them are true, it quits. So MOV RDI known strings. Then we can do we'll do the we'll also do XOR RCX, and then we can do the dot scan. We can do the dot scan loop. This needs to be Okay. No, RDI can stay. RDI stay down here. Now, what we do here is we'll call compare. Oh my fucking god! Compared. RSI, not Terminator, and then we'll do no actual. This needs to be RSI, and then MOV RDI. Oh my RDI is equal to RSI. Oh, I can't fucking type. What's wrong with my? I don't know what's going on. I just lost the ability to suddenly type. I don't know. My god. I'm going crazy, chat. But not as crazy as that guy with that rubber room and rats. He's crazy. Anyways. So. We check if one will check this is a
Crazy. I was crazy once //////.
Interesting. Why did it say full? It was like // What the hell? Like, come on, just give that. If it's 0, it's non-zero if it's true. So if it is 8. Dot found match. Okay. Now, yeah, dot. Now, to find the next function. So, we need to find the next one. How would we get about that? Well, my general idea is that we need to compare RSI to byte 0. Dot find loop. Okay, so we'll compare RSI to byte 0, and while that's happening, we will oh my, wait, where's I? Oh, yeah, increment RSI, then JE. If it's not 0, we go back to the final loop. And so if it's not 0, we go back to the final loop. But if it happens to be, oh my god, what the fuck is wrong with RSI byte 0xFF JE dot not. There we go. So then MOV RA 0 return. Okay. Here. Oh, MOV oh my. Okay. MOV RX 0 return. Now. Dot not about. Oh my, not fucking. I can't fucking type on my keyboard because I can't fucking see it. It's here in front of me. I need water. But my mouth is so dry. I can't just chug on my water because it's annoying to get.
Is water wet?
Hey, kicked me out. What the Okay, I'm back. One sec. I don't know what the fuck this is doing. It's completely lost it. But I think we're making some progress on the actual thing. I removed the fucking I'll just. Okay then. I think we're making progress on the thing. Whatever we're doing, I think we're making progress. That's all I know. Yep.
Streamer nearly got banished from own stream.
Not clickbait. They almost died. My bad, guys. My bad. Oh, you hear? Oh my god. Well, oh, I've been streaming. Honestly, I'm getting tired, so I might end the stream today, but only because I'm getting tired. It's really hard to program when you're tired. But the goal is by next week I want to start getting the streams up to 4 hours long.
Eat
Okay.
good.
I want to get the streams up to 4 hours long by next week. So we'll figure it out then. But for now, see you tomorrow, and hopefully I can make sense of whatever the fuck this code is. Okay, well, bye. Oh, see you tomorrow.
Goodbye /.
See ya. Bye.